This is our first ever video ever. I'm August.
I'm August.
We're gonna do a trying to laugh. Very original, by the way. Let's go.
Super Saiyan form at 15.
Okay. By the way, we got 6 lives together, and we just lost 1, so we got 5.
If we lost one fucking life, or does that count?
Oh, that doesn't count.
Doesn't count.
Doesn't count. We still got 6.
6, 7.
Oh no.
Hold it in.
I need a break.
Why?
I'd like to
Tell you about today's sponsor.
I'm just gonna wait a second.
It's not that fucking hard, August.
Yes, it is.
Am I August or you August? August.
Okay, let's get back into it. That's all I needed.
Guys, I'm about to get fucking fired.
Ah!
That wasn't even funny.
How did the dumb bitch do that?
That would have fucking hurt. It landed on her nose.
What are we at?
5, right?
5, yeah. Still a lot. Let's get back to it.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money. He's no good operator.
I think can be really hard for autistic people.
Oh my god. Why would the fuck
Fuck did that thing get RPG?
had rocket boosters on his fucking wheelchair, come?
I don't think it. But
My ear. Fucking hell, I can't hear.
Okay.
We're at fucking 4 lives now. Lucky August.
another break.
How many motherfuckers are you gonna drink?
We're not even at 2 minutes, calm.
What is this new filter?
Motherfucker. I'm not even laughing at it. I'm laughing at you. You're not fucking funny.
Sorry, bro. I need another break.
Hi. Bye bye. Hi. Hi. Hi.
August, I swear to God. How many lives are we at?
We're at 3.
3.
Yeah.
Damn.
Continue.
3
Let you
likes.
stub your own toe. See?
I got the USB cord. It's hooked to my microphone.
Okay, they just take my fucking life.
How many we got now?
2.
A lot.
Yeah.
Alright, just go.
Okay.
To the power. I can't pay electric bill.
Oh, dude, this is so cringe.
Shit, I would not be that close to Uncle.
And then, when you start whisking it, I want you guys to watch this. This is the most important part. It's the French touch. Look at this. A little bit of vanilla. Oh, the fragrances.
Bro, what the fuck? We have 1 life now.
Fuck.
Lock in.
Follow it with your eyes, okay?
Motherfucker.
Okay, we'll just do one more for good luck. And if we don't laugh to this one, we're gonna go till we laugh again, and then that's just it.
We need one more.
You got this. Come on, you got it. Let's go. Don't look at me. Don't fucking look at me. Ooh, don't you do it. No, dude.
Look at this. I already got like 3 really funny.
Why do you make that noise, con?
That went pretty good, I reckon.
This motherfucker.
Sorry, bro.
Off too easy, cunt.
Next time I'm gonna go on Instagram.
He wanted to do a water one. The amount of water, he would have choked on it too. Well, this was a fucking goofy video. 3 likes on the video.
3.
And we'll post another one because, you know, we ain't doing this shit for free. Fucking 3 likes and we make another video. Next video will be slap tortilla.
That's if we get to 3 likes.
Yeah,
Though. So
we
if we
need-
get to 3 likes, we'll do a slap fucking.
Slap tortilla thing.
Yeah. Try not to
Or
laugh, or
try not to cringe.
try not to cringe. Yeah.
Alright. Ugus and Boogus signing out.
Sound barrier.